Hi everyone, hope you all are doing absolutely good. So in this tutorial, I will be sharing you the details on how to generate your invoice and how to submit your invoice on our latest DGx Invoice Generation Portal. In this portal, we have automated the entire process for generating the invoice by filling out the data. If we talk about the data, from where to get the data, from where you will be able to view it, that after every month in your groups or emails, you will be receiving an Google Sheet which will have the data for the invoice of that particular month or which you are supposed to generate. So once you've gone through with that part, that data you can either directly input into the form that will be on the portal, and once that is done you can generate your invoice. So let's see how to access the portal and how to generate your invoice. So open any browser and search invoice.dgxcreators.in, and this link is also provided in the description box. You can also go and check this out yourself. So it can take some time. Okay, so the portal is open. As such, there is no login or sign up required for the time being. But in future, if signing in and logging in option comes up, it will be informed to you immediately. So now, so this is a portal where you have to fill your details. In the client details, client name, or we should say freelancer's name, you have to write your name. For example, my name is Gurleen. My mobile number is +91 9873456. Okay, it's SS Nagar, Mohali. My email is gurleenjoda@dgxcreators.in. Now over here, this was the part done. Now invoicing details. Invoice number will be mentioned on the data that will be shared with you. For the this sake, if you leave this blank, it will auto generate an invoice number, but we will not recommend that. The invoice number, specific invoice number, will be provided to you, so you have to follow that. So for this purpose, I'll use this an invoice date. Please make sure to fill the correct invoice date. For example, today is 27th of November 2025, so I'll choose this. Your PAN card, okay, and you can write your PAN card ABCDEF3456A. GST in, if you are registered GST personnel or if you're a vendor, then you can fill it out, else you can leave it blank or you can write NA. Now coming to the project description 1, basically we have provided you two descriptions at the moment. In description 1, you have to write the project name. For example, let's say that I have a project name live Q&A. Okay, and but I also have one more invoice for same like bifurcation of the same project. So that I can do is like this. For example, live Q&A for English quantity. I have been approved with 50 questions, and rate is also mentioned. Rate will be mentioned on the sheet also. For example, for this sake, let's say it's 80. In description 2, let's say it's live Q&A science quantity. Let's keep it same, 50 with the same rate. And deduction, so let's say I have a deduction of 100 or 1000 rupees. So as you can see in the live summary, you can see the calculations. Please note that as the TDS of 10% will be applicable on this, So the TDS will be automatically calculated of this. For example, as you can see, the total amount, the subtotal is 8,000. The TDS deduction is 800 and total deduction is 1,000. So the total grand total comes up to here. Once that is done, you can just click on generate invoice. And this process can take somewhere like 1 or 1.5 minutes. So please have some patience. Mac. Yes. So now, as you can see, there are three options. If you want to submit your invoice in a docx file, MS version type, you can choose this. It will open the docx file. But we would recommend you, for the sake of invoice generation and submission, we would recommend you to click on open PDF in Drive, and as you can see, your invoice has been generated. Okay, so now what you have to do is just save this. Let's say I am saving this. So as I can see that I have saved it. Okay, once I have saved, now I'll click on submit the Google form. So once you'll click on submit the form, Google form will appear. So you can just fill out your details. For example, like same +9197 SAS Nagar, date of invoice submission 27th, PAN card, for example, ABCDEF 2516D. Click on next. When invoice issued by, if you are expert, then choose expert. If you are a vendor, you can choose. In the project name, whatever your project is, for example, I have submitted for the live Q&A name, but the option is not there. It's okay. For this tutorial's sake, let's consider this. I'll add my account number, like 9. I'll say my bank name is HDFC Bank. IFSC code is HDFC 000257 whatever. Branch name is, let's say, SAS Nagar. Account type, for example, I'll say my account type is current account. UPI ID, if you have a UPI ID, you can fill out your UPI ID. If not, you can just mention NA. And then click on next. Then your invoice number, in our case the invoice number was 800042. Total taxable payment. Now for the taxable payment, the total taxable payment is 8,000 in this scenario. Or if you want to know, you just open your invoice. And you will be see the subtotal. This is your taxable amount. Okay. TDS deducted, you can see the TDS deducted is 800. Any deductions? Yes, there is a deduction of 1,000. And then click on generated invoice and upload your invoice. And that's it. And then you have to just click on submit, and that's it. We'll click on submit, and that's it. The invoice will go to the accounts department, and finance team will go through this, and if there is any error, anything that is need to be clarified, it will be informed to you. To if required, you can resubmit your invoice, and once approved, you will be notified and the payouts will be done as per the scheduled timeline. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you to understand the procedure of our invoice generation portal. So if you have any query, you can drop your queries into the comment box. We'll definitely give you a reply back for the queries. And for more information, you can just go to our description. You can watch our social media platforms. You can go to our website and you can check our LinkedIn page for new job related queries, job related informations, available positions, and currently ongoing projects. And also, as we have already informed you, that DGx Creators Mohali office is also a registered Pearson View Authorized Test Center. So, if you have an ambition to go for a certification for IT, be it Microsoft, be it Cisco, be it AWS, PTI, or many more, so you can definitely go check out the Pearson View website, open your exam you want to appear for, and choose DGx Creators as your center for examination. And definitely, our staff will coordinate with you and help you and make sure that you have the best environment for your examination. So with all that being said, thank you very much for watching till the end. I hope you understand the video. If you have any query, you can drop your queries in the comment box. Thank you very much. Hope you have a great day.